Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels and videos. This was not possible in the past, but right now you can do that. So let's get started. Open your Instagram app and navigate to the Reels you want to download. I'm going to use this one as an example in this video. So what you have to do is to click on the share button, which looks like a paper kite at the bottom right corner. Click on it and you have to swipe left. Keep going until you see the download button. Now click on download. After that, it's going to download in your gallery. Please make sure you don't re-upload it if you don't have permission to use the video. Now when you go to your gallery, you're going to see the video which you just downloaded. So that's how you download Instagram Reels or videos. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.